It's Ron with Sadona Farms, and I thought I'd give everyone a little update on the tomatoes. It is mid-August right now, and our tomatoes are suffering, but it is just the time of the year. Things are starting to wind down. The days are getting shorter, less daylight. We are really feeling pressure from bugs and hornworms and stink bugs and aphids. I can't even say that word. Aphids? No. I can't say it. I don't know why. I think it's my accent. Maybe not. But yeah, they are having a rough time. We do have some nice cherry tomatoes that we've been picking. They are looking gorgeous. Our cherry tomatoes are very nice, very cute. But yes, lots of bug issues right now. Hoping to get them under control. We finally have a few tomatoes out on the stand right now, but like I said, we're dealing with bugs right now really bad, and then our green tomatoes are just taking forever to turn red, and then once they do, we've been trying to pull them as soon as they start blushing so we can go ahead and get some tomatoes out on the stand before the bugs grab them, or it pours and rains and then they crack, or they get burnt with the sun. It's something all the time, and it's continuous. But like I said, look at our cherries. Cherries are gorgeous right now. Beautiful cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna be doing another update on lavender video in the next few days here soon, and hopefully tell you how it's doing, because if you remember, we planted out our lavender in the spring, and our first year lavender, so 350 plus plants we did. Some are doing great, some are not, but all to be expected. We're going to see what type of lavender works the best in our area, and a lot of that's going to be overnight too, or over the winter too. So just because what we see and document here for the summer, we still might lose one or more different varieties in the winter. So we'll see which one does the best through our winter here in Indiana. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll have all kinds of lavender updates on our tomatoes, even though tomato season is almost over. But I must say, you should look at this basil. Basil is looking great. Love the basil. It is all kind of going to seed. It's wanting to go to seed, be very pretty for flower arrangements and all, but it still tastes great. And it's just the nature of what it is. It wants to reproduce, so it's going to seed. That's okay though. Great for flower arrangements. But like I said, if you like our content here, like and subscribe to our channel to see more from Sadona Farms. For now, thanks everyone, and I'll see you later.